2024 admissions are going on in Kerala's first state open university, Sri Narayana Guru Open University. Many of you might have already registered. Those who didn't get the ABC ID can do so with a few simple steps. All you want is your phone and any one of these identity cards. That is either Aadhaar card or PAN card or driving license. Your phone should be near you as the OTP will be generated in it. As you visit our website www.sgou.ac.in, it will lead you to our academic portal. You have to register as candidate if you are doing it for the first time. If you have already registered, you can log in using your password. In step 1, new registration, you have to click for ABC ID. ABC stands for Academic Bank of Credits. It's a credit-based system where students can accumulate credits from prior learning experience. It's a rather new concept which is based on online centralized system. So what are the benefits? Enables student mobility, gives academic flexibility, and its key features: multiple entry, multiple exit. This initiative is part of the One Nation, One Student ID program launched by the Union Government, aligning with the new National Education Policy NEP 2020. While doing so, you will get a unique 12-digit code as your ABC ID. What is it for? It is to digitally store, manage, and assess all your academic credits. So let's go to the step-by-step procedure of what you have to do to create an ABC ID. Click here to register with the Academic Bank of Credits. You will be directed to an interface similar to this, Meri Pehchan. It's a Hindi word which means my identity. Sign up for DigiLocker by entering your phone number and generate OTP. Enter the OTP generated and verify it. Your KYC verification is pending, so you have to do it. What is KYC? Know your customer. You have to select an identity type. I have selected Aadhaar. You can either select Aadhaar or PAN card or driving license. Proceed with KYC. Now you will have to sign in to your account via DigiLocker. What is DigiLocker? It's an online repository. You can enter your mobile number and PIN. PIN is nothing but the OTP already generated. You have to tick in the box of PIN-less authentication and the box by giving consent to term of use. Tick the two boxes and sign in. Again, you have to verify your OTP. Both OTP will be the same. Sign in. You can provide your consent to share the following with Academic Bank of Credits. I gave consent only for sharing my Aadhaar. Consent for validity date, I have extended till July 31st as it is the last date of online registration at Sri Narayana Guru Open University. Now you have to select your identity type. If you are new admission, then your identity type will be new admission. If you have already registered at Sri Narayana Guru Open University, your identity value will be your registration number. Since I am doing this for the first time, my identity type is as a new admission. So I am a student at Sri Narayana Guru Open University. My admission year 2024. Now submit and congratulations, you have got your APAR ABC ID. You have to note down your 12-digit ID. You can go back to your dashboard and this is what I have found. Since this candidate is new to the system, its credit is 0 as of now. So by following these simple steps, you can create your ABC ID.